Today's video is educational. I will show you how I build a mental stop loss rule that protects me on Olymp trade from impulsive decisions. Beginners look at one trade. Pros look at a series. After my first loss, I don't enter again immediately. I pause for at least 2-3 candles. So I set a limit, 3-5 trades per session. Before any trade, I ask myself why I am entering. 3 signals and I end the session. Hey friends, Arjun here. When I was a beginner, I thought the most important thing in trading was finding a secret strategy. I genuinely believe once I find the perfect signal, that's it. Money will start coming in. But the market taught me something fast. You can have a strategy, you can have analysis, you can even guess directions sometimes and still blow your account if you don't have protection from yourself. Because it's not the chart that breaks you, it is the moment you get angry after a loss, when you rush to get it back, when you enter just because you are bored, when you start clicking button not with your brain but with your nerves. Today's video is educational. I will show you how I build a mental stop loss rule that protects me on Olymp trade from impulsive decisions. If you want more breakdowns and useful info, check my Telegram, link in the description. So let's go. Trading isn't catch the move, it's don't break the series. Beginners look at one trade. Pros look at a series because profit isn't magic from one trade. It's the math of repetition. You do the same actions many times and you don't let emotions destroy your long game. Here is the key idea. The market can give you a loss, that's normal. But if you take 2 emotional trades after that, it's no longer the market, it's you. Rule 2. After the first loss, pause. I have one rule that sounds simple but saves account. After my first loss, I don't enter again immediately. I pause for at least 2-3 candles. Why? Because a loss is a trigger. Your brain wants to compensate, and if you enter right away, there is a high chance you are entering not because of the market but because of irritation. A pause isn't weakness. It's a grown-up response. You don't have to prove to the market that you are right. Third, trade limit. Less is better. I know a lot of people love trading a lot. It feels like profit will come faster, but the reality is the more trades you take without filters, the more noise you trade and the less quality you get. So I set a limit, 3-5 trades per session. If the market gives a clean structured grip. If it doesn't, I don't squeeze trades out of the market. Doesn't pay for quantity, it pays for precision. Fourth, hard rule. If I can't explain the entry in one sentence, I don't trade. Before any trade, I ask myself why I am entering. And the answer must be short, clear and factual. No, I feel like, for example, up impulse, price at support, seller are fading, I am taking continuation. If I start building long explanations and excuses, that's a warning sign. It means there is no clarity, and without clarity, it's guessing. Fifth, emotional stop. 3 signals and I end the session. I have a list of emotional markers. If I get 3, I stop trading, even if I am in profit. Markers like I speed up and want one more trade for no reason. I feel irritation and want to win it back. I stop waiting for confirmation. I start watching the PL more than the chart. Why does this matter? Because emotional trading really destroys you with one trade. It destroys you with a series when you lose control. 6. The strongest skill is no trade. Honestly, my biggest growth didn't come when I found better signals. It came when I learned to say no trades today. Beginners see escaping trades as losing, but it's the opposite. It's protect your capital and your mind. If the market doesn't give me a clear setup, I don't take something. I wait for my trade, and the market always gives you your trade. The real question is, can you wait? Remember this, your protection isn't your strategy. Your protection is discipline. The discipline that turns on exactly when you want to break the rules. A mental stop loss is a pause after a loss. A trade limit, a one sentence reason for entry, stopping when emotions zone up. And respecting no trades. And once this becomes habit, trading turns into process. If you want more educational breakdowns and useful info, check my Telegram link in the description. Subscribe, and remember, consistency doesn't start with buttons, it starts with your control.